The light within is obscured only by the filters of egoic thought. It is difficult for man to imagine his mind is the cause of his distress. What he fails to see is that it is his interpretation of his world that is so disturbing to his peace of mind. I have fulfilled my promise and completed the restoration process within my heart. You cannot follow one who does not demonstrate the proper function of mankind. The kingdoms of the ego are tempting indeed, but the Holy Child must remember cause and effect are one movement. A kingdom built on a false premise will surely fall, for this is always the outcome of temporal ideology. Only our Father within holds the master plan that heralds eternity. Thank you, Father.